Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to fill up form TM6 Thailand arrival and departure card when you travel to Thailand. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Guys, when you travel to Thailand, you need to fill this form, and this is not only in this country. In many other countries you have like incoming arrival card and other things, so such things need to be done as per the country. So for Thailand you have to do this, and if you see this, there are two portions. One is departure card, one is arrival, and there's a second page of it. Okay, and the second page is for non-Thai resident only. Fine. Now thing is that what happens at the immigration, they will you see there's a small cut between departure and arrival, so they will take the arrival and return the departure to you. You have to keep it very safe, because when you leave the country you need to hand this over, and in case you lose it, then you have to report it. There's a process behind it and you may be asked to pay penalty, so avoid that. Instead, keep it very safe with you. So if we come to the arrival section, family name, first name, it's both in English and Thai, so that's really helpful. Passport number, visa number, flight number, date of birth, gender, occupation, country where you boarded, length of stay, purpose of visit, city, country residence, Thailand address where you are going. Okay, so that is why a lot of people would say that at immigration they do check your hotel reservation and other arrangements that you have made. So this is one of the reasons, as you can see. And then the departure card. So in the departure card, the only thing that is gonna be different from your arrival is gonna be your flight number that you take to leave from Thailand, and it should be used only black or blue ink. So it's very good practice you carry a pen, because if you don't carry a pen you will start looking for it. So, and this you get in the flight, and even if you miss it or if you don't get it, you can get at the counter also. There are tables where you can get it. Second part is also very simple. Type of flight, is this your first trip, are you traveling as part of a tour group, accommodation, next city port of disembarkation, purpose of visit, yearly income, and this second portion is for official use where they want to stamp and do other things. So you need not worry about that. But yes, keep it very safe with you so that you don't fall into any trouble. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.